Is that belief really true? Let's challenge it and uncover the truth. Welcome to day 35 of the Transform 365 challenge. Yesterday, we identified the limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Today, we are taking the next step. We are questioning the evidence behind those beliefs. Limiting beliefs often feel true because they've been repeated in our minds for so long. But when we examine them closely, we often find that they are based on fear, assumptions, or past experiences, not facts. Start by choosing one limiting belief from the list that you created yesterday. Ask yourself, which belief feels like it's holding me back the most right now? Which belief do I want to challenge today? If your belief is I'm not good enough, write it down as your focus for today. If your belief is I'll never succeed, let's dig into that one. Now, challenge the belief by asking, is this belief absolutely true? Do I have concrete evidence to support it? Often you will realize that these beliefs are based on assumptions or fear rather than facts. If you believe I'm not disciplined enough, ask yourself, have there been times where I've shown discipline in other areas of my life? What evidence do I have that contradicts this belief? Maybe you have stuck to a fitness routine in the past or completed a challenging project at work. Those are examples of discipline. This process helps you see that limiting beliefs are often exaggerated or untrue. Next, flip the script by asking, what evidence do I have that this belief might not be true? What would someone else say about this belief if they were looking at my life objectively? If your belief is, I always fail when I try something new, think about times when you have succeeded at learning something new. Maybe you picked up a new skill at work or learned how to cook a new recipe. This step helps you see your strengths and accomplishments more clearly. Finally, write down what you have discovered through this process. What evidence supports or refutes your limiting belief? How does seeing this evidence change how you feel about the belief? Writing down your insights helps solidify your understanding and gives you something to revisit if the belief resurfaces. Questioning the evidence behind your limiting beliefs will help you break free from assumptions and see things as they really are. It builds confidence by recognizing your strengths and past successes. It helps you take control of your mindset instead of letting old stories dictate your actions. This practice is like shining a light on the shadows. Once you see what's really there, those shadows lose their power. Take 10 to 15 minutes today to question one limiting belief. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? What evidence supports or refutes it? What alternative perspectives can I consider? What belief are you challenging today? Share your insights in the comments or post about it using the hashtag Transform365. I would love to hear how this practice is helping you grow.